This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
All right, so I've tested, I've created a simple empty web page on my website, its layout, and I would like to add some random images. So let's say, I don't even know, let it be, wait a sec. Yeah, we have Ask Questy right here. So we can just use apply. I add another image and we'll use it. And then the text. Also, I want to do like this. Okay. And this text we should do like this, and then should be 1, 2, 3. And then another text section will be 3, 4, 5. I hit save. I go to the mobile version, and we can see that it is like the correct layout. So basically, sometimes it is the problem when users are trying to attach this text not to this picture, but to some other place, and then it's not well aligned as they want in the mobile version. All right, thank you for asking.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.